Hey friends, Pastor Dustin here, and if you missed worship this morning, you missed an exciting one. Right at the end of the sermon, a fire alarm went off, and we evacuated everyone, got everyone out of the building safely, and assessed the situation. And fortunately, there was not a fire. The building is okay and secure. Everyone is okay and secure. And we determined it was a non-fire related electrical issue with our fire panel that is being resolved. So I just wanted to give you an update there, especially for those of you who were watching online and probably had no idea what was happening with the live stream. So everything is well here on campus, and we hope that you will have a wonderful week ahead. And who knows what's going to happen around here when we talk about a refiner's fire. It's wild and crazy sometimes the way God works. So, hope you have a great week. See you later. Bye.